now has accessed the KSCA letter, and in this letter, it has sought permission for the event. So this is a letter that has been written by the KSCA to the government seeking permission for the event at Vidhan Sabha. The permission had been sought on the 3rd of June. So this is the letter that Times Now has access, that was written by the KSCA to the Karnataka government, saying there should be a felicitation program that is being organized and seeking permission for the event taking place in Vidhan Sabha. Now remember, the government has said that permission was given to the event in Vidhan Sabha, but there was no permission given for the event in Chinnaswamy Stadium. So there are questions that still remain. Was the government aware that there will be a victory parade? Remember, there had been a lot of confusing statements as well. Initially, RCB making the announcement that there will be a victory parade, after which the Karnataka Home Minister had denied it, after which fans continued to gather there. Who is responsible for the deaths of the 11 people who had arrived there outside Chinnaswamy Stadium? Who is responsible for it is the question. Amid that, this is a letter the Times Now has accessed, and this letter shows the KSCA seeking permission from the Karnataka government for the event at Vidhan Sabha. It mentions that after the victory of RCB, there will be celebrations in the Vidhan Sabha steps. My colleague Imran, Arunil and Neha joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Imran, this letter clearly indicates that the government was, of course, well aware that there will be victory celebrations. Take us through the details of the letter. Does it also mention the event in Chinnaswamy Stadium? Because the government has said that in Vidhan Sabha the event was allowed, but there was no permission for the event at Chinnaswamy Stadium.
Well, absolutely, that's the thing, and in fact, there is the arrest of the KSCA, what office bearers, has led to a lot of controversy, and this is what the government had said that they had applied for. Nothing was there within the grants, the outside the whatever happened outside Vidhan Sabha and at the Chinnaswamy, there was no permission for it, and the letter which we have the KSCA secretaries was that they had applied for felicitation ceremony at the Vidhan Sabha, and there was very clearly written by the DNA networks and also by KSCA that they had applied for felicitation with Vidhan Sabha. But this is the letter, and the permission was also granted. But what happened outside Vidhan Sabha and at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, there was no permission for it, and that's the reason why this is the event which was there. Now the case has been booked is what the government is brushing his hands off. Well, we have with us Mr. Kumaraswamy. Sir, we're live. Just sir.